Stephanie and Bonnie here. Today we're going to be working on our stay, adding in some noise distractions. So I've got my chair here. I also have a squeaky toy. I have a nice tin bowl that I'm going to use to draw. Also a nail grinder and some nail clippers. We want to get Bonnie used to having those noise distractions and still being able to listen and follow our commands, okay? So Bonnie, hey, look what I have. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Sit. Bonnie. Stay. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Sit, sit, sit. You know what I'm asking. Sit down. Sit down. Good girl. Stay. So anytime she gets up, give her no noise, put her right back into her position. Good girl, Bonnie, not bad. So what we want to do with these noise distractions is we want to see that she reacts, but she doesn't react in a negative way. So she's not growling, she's not lunging, she's not barking. She can move away a little bit, but we also want to see that curiosity. So Bonnie, come here. Come check out the chair. Here. Yeah. Use your curiosity. Good girl. Good girl. See? Yeah. Good girl. Girl. All right, come here, Mom. Come here. Good girl. Sit. Sit down. Come on. Sit down. Sit down. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. Stay. Oh, I know you see my Harley. She's a big distraction, isn't she? Come on. Back to her spot. Come here. Good girl. Sit. Sit down. Girl, stay. Good. Come here. Good girl. Good girl, Bon Bon. Oh, good job. All right, so she saw the chair move and she was still able to not freak out. She came over, kind of checked it out, still came to me even though she was scared of the chair. So good girl. Now we're going to move on to other fun stuff. Come here, Bon Bon. Come here, baby. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Sit down. Bonnie. Sit. Sit. There you go. Stay. So I've got my clippers here. Oh, immediately scared. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Girl. Good girl. You want to come check it out? So she's curious about it. Good girl. I give her a treat. Let her check it out. I'm showing her that it's not something that's scary. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here, Bon. Okay. Bon. So I'm letting her see that I have treats on the ground. It's okay. Good girl. Okay. Come on. Good girl. Can you get that other one? Can you get this one? Okay. Good girl, Bonnie. Good girl. Can you get one more? Right here? Can you get that one? Okay. I'm right here. I won't let it hurt you. Yeah, I won't let it hurt you. Go on. Good girl, Bonnie. Good girl. See? All done. Good job. So this is helping her get used to unconventional noises or things that she might have to get used to in the future. So things like a shaver or like a Dremel that we use for nails. We want her to be able to get used to the noises and not have a negative reaction. Okay? Good girl, Bonnie. Good girl. So, the last thing I'm going to use is the Dremel and a bowl. So, I want to get her used to those as well. Good girl, Bonnie. Come here, Bonnie. Can you sit? Sit down. Sit. Go ahead. Stay. Good. Stay, Bonnie. Good girl. Good job. So this comes in handy if you want to have Bonnie trained to be a therapy dog or even CGC. They have to get used to unconventional noises and be able to deal with them in a positive manner. Good girl. So a lot of times when you're doing the therapy dog stuff, you know, they'll drop things in the hospital, and they even have their, which is why I have my wheelchair here, is, you know, you got to work with different things and make sure that they're able to work with everything that's there and not be able to react in a negative manner. Good girl, Bon Bon. All right, last one. We're going to work with the Dremel. Come here, baby. Good girl. Can you sit? Hey. Bon Bon. Come here. Almost done. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Mommy, sit. There you go. Good girl. Stay. It's okay. See, nice and easy, huh? So moving closer to her nice and slowly. Good girl. Good girl, Bonnie. Come here. Come on, Bonnie. Come here, baby. It's okay. See? Yeah, go ahead and sniff it. See, it's not scary. Yeah, that's what does your nails. Huh? See, it's not scary. It's okay. Good. Here, Bon Bon. Come on, it's okay. Come on. Come on. Here, it's okay. So this one takes lots of patience and lots of consistency.